This is Marketplace. I'm Kai Rizdal. We've talked about a whole lot of jobs on the program today. President of the New York Fed, professional golfer. Now another cool one. Jessica Battilana is the author of a new cookbook. It's called Repertoire, All the Recipes You Need. But here's the thing. She's not really a chef. Here's our conversation. So I don't want to give away any secrets here, but I just now, before this little bit that we'll play on the air, I asked you, as I asked everybody, how you want to be identified. And you said San Francisco-based food writer and recipe developer. What is that job?
That's right.
What is that job, recipe developer?
It's a pretty good gig. So I've basically spent my entire professional career working in the food industry in various capacities. But what I like to do the most and what I think I do best is develop recipes. And so basically that entails cooking a dish that I sort of imagine over and over again until I think it tastes perfect.
Okay, that's either amazingly glamorous with you in a great sunlit kitchen and all kinds of, handcrafted Italian machines and everything, or it's drudgery.
It's both. Sometimes it's amazing, and things work on the first or second try, and sometimes they don't. Sometimes it takes 10 or 15 tries to get a recipe where you want it. And then I end up foisting the leftovers on my UPS man, on my kids' teachers, my neighbors. And it makes you seem like a real jerk when you say to them, like, oh, here, take this. It's not right.
Yeah, here are my rejects.
I'm going to give it to you.
Tell me what's wrong with it.
Here are my rejects.
On a day when you are deep into recipe development, you get out of bed, you have a cup of coffee, and then what do you do? What does that day look like?
Well, if I'm lucky, I go to the grocery store just once. But often, it's a couple trips to the grocery store or trips to, a few different